Good morning, Max. Hello, Max. Am I audible to you?
I can hear you.
Okay. So, can you tell me, Max, what is your doubt?
I need help on how does a microwave oven cook food?
Okay. So, do you want the answer or you want to understand it?
I don't answers because I do not understand one fucking thing.
Okay. So, you want the answers only, right?
Yeah, and it's big
Okay. So,
idea. It's big idea 5 and it's week 2.
okay. So, can you tell me where is the question so that I will answer the question.
Huh?
Like you want the answer. So, where is the question?
It says draw an arrow between
Okay.
the words.
Draw an arrow. Draw an arrow between the words in each pair to show the direction in which the heat is being conducted between the objects. Okay, right. So that will be cold floor, bare heat, bare feet.
Each pair to show the direction in each heat is beginning
Okay, so
to.
yeah, I got it. So I will draw the. So the first will be. Okay, just give me a moment. Okay, so the first will be cold floor and bare feet. So the arrow will be like this. Okay, can you see the blackboard?
Yeah, bare feet goes too cold.
Yeah,
Okay.
microwave diner and plate.
Give me a second. I forgot my pencil.
So the second is microwave
Give me.
dinner, and that is plate. So the arrow will go from dinner to plate. The third one is egg and frying pan.
I got that.
So egg and frying pan. So the arrow will go from frying pan to egg. And the last one is ice cream to bowl. In which heat is being conducted. So bare
Hmm.
feet to cool floor,
Yep.
frying pan to egg, microwave diner to plate, and bowl to ice cream.
I can't breathe at all. Hold
So now bowl to ice cream. Right, Max?
on. Okay, let me just take a picture. And how do you? Okay. Okay. Here is another.
Yeah, send me. Okay. So how does a microwave cook food? Okay, so the A one, right? The Philip,
Is it
the
day 5? How does?
day five. How does a microwave oven cook food? Use the words in the box to complete the paragraph, right?
Yeah.
So the first microwave. So that the first Phillips will be
Hold on. Hold on.
microwave.
I can see that on my paper.
The first Philip will be microwave. The
It
first
says
microwave one called reference because it cooked food with a kind of
the
kind of radiation.
Mm, can you write that down? Like,
Yeah, yeah, I will write it down. Just give me a window. Radiation. Okay, so that will be radiation. The second Phillips will be radiation. Okay, you got the two Phillips. Now the third one will be wavelength. Now the third Phillips will be wavelength. The
uh,
microwaves are readily absorbed by water molecule input and they cook the food much faster than
uh-huh.
a conventional. So the next Philip will be conventional. The water molecules flip back and forth with the electromagnetic wave. This motion is converted to the source of the power and converted to the process of conduction. Okay, so that will be electromagnetic, and so after that, that will be electromagnetic.
Got it. And the last one is
And the last one is, yeah, conduction.
CONDUCT. Sorry.
That will be conduction, right? So that will be for A part. Now,
Hold on. Give me a second. Give me a second.
yeah, okay.
Okay, now I'm done. Done.
So you want me to solve the B part also?
Yeah.
Okay. So sun hitting the sand, that
And
will be radiation. Okay, so the first one will be radiation. Now the second one will be bottle of soda chilling on ice. Okay, so bottle of soda chilling on ice, that will be radiation, conduction or reflection. Okay, bottle of soda chilling on ice, so that will be conduction. The second one will be conduction, and the third one will be reflection. The fourth one, a pan hitting on a stove top, that will be again conduction. And the fifth one will be microwave bouncing of metal, that will be radiation.
what the hell? Wait. Number
Yeah.
four. Oh. I was in two stuff. Give me a second.
Okay, don't worry. Take your time. You done?
No.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So Max, one thing, like after the session, you will get an option to provide me rating. Okay.
It's because I need a tutor for my math, um, ELA, language, English, and
Okay.
I got a lot of classes that I have to do. I got 14 classes in a day.
Okay, you got 14 classes in a day?
Yep.
That's like huge.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye bye, man.